Hello, and this is Vinny7400. Subscribe, rate, and comment. And if you don't know what rate means, it's like or dislike. Alright, so now let's get on. The volcano world. Magma. Put the lever in. Push the button. Oops, I put water on. Not water, magma. Put magma up there. If you don't know what magma is, it's lava. Okay, why am I singing Jingle Bells? Let's see here. Almost done. Oh crap. Oh crap now. Crap now. And now the final touch. Nitro. It's very explosive in lava. Nitro. Drag. Holy. If you use drag, it'll explode. Interrupting! There's a bubble. Where'd it go? My bubble is right here. Thump. Hey, look at your bubble. He plays basketball. And he's the basketball. Yep, he is. No, not cheap powder, Oh, God, no. No. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. Oh, okay, why am I singing again? Oh, no, no, no. Watch this. It turns into thunder. Oh. And don't forget to subscribe. If you put thunder in lava, it explodes like a firework. Guys, this is not real life what happens. This is just a game. Just a game. Time for the final touch explosion. Dun 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 dun. Why are we using nitro? Come on, let's get on to the fireworks. F works. Fireworks. Let's see. F works. I just put that in there. Fireworks. Woohoo! That was good. Light the fuse. Let's light the fuse to the nitro bomb. The volcano's going to erupt. And here's the human. Wait. Here's the human. How do I get him down? Get down there. No. No. More. No more lava. Ha ha ha. Why am I saying it again? Why are we using nitro to get down here? Let's just use bomb. 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 Holy crap. Now that's how you erupt a volcano. But the lava's just going back in? I didn't know that could happen. Oh, the bomb just melts the lava, I guess. It's nitro time. It's rape time. Wait, what is that? Dun dun dun. Volcanoes and crazy men. Woohoo! Out there! Oh, it's War of the Fat Italian Fighters. No, 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 no. People are just dying in the volcano. Hey, later on in my channel, I'm gonna make some more videos. Sorry, if you heard that little bump there. My microphone just fell down. And I also will be doing some other pet game videos. And next time I do one, this might be the volcano adventure. So keep your fingers crossed I forget about it. Make bubbles. Whatever you do to the bubble, it just turns into something. If it touches block, well, yeah. Fuse. It's nitro time. Wait, that's not nitro. It's nitro time. So my next video, The Adventures of Squarehead. See you later. Subscribe, rate, and comment. Oh, and before you leave, because this is a volcano episode, rate, comment, and subscribe. See you later from Vinny7400.